Okay, folks, we're back again to do another unboxing of comics for the shop this week. I'm going to start with this mailer from Penguin Random House, and that is all we have. Not the mailer, but all we got this week was Penguin Random House, no Lunar, because I think I did not meet the order minimum to get my comics shipped. Oh, well. Invoice. And this looked to be like the IDW stack. Yes. We've got My Little Pony, a Camp Big Hoof, Camp Big Hoof. Got a couple of those. And here's the cover B for Camp Big Hoof. And Star Trek Halloween. It's a number 1. Let's take a look inside. It should be interesting. Okay, there's that. Star Trek Halloween, number 1. Star Trek Defiant, number 8. And Star Trek Strange New Worlds. Something I can't read that. Not going to try. Okay, that's number 2. And we'll go on to the next group. Got several boxes here from Penguin Random House. Like I said, no Lunar, so... Yep. Okay. Oh, well. And they've done this corner thing to me again. Oh, that's not good. Okay, so we'll see what happens. Hold on. I might need a sharp object. Yeah, hold on. Sorry, my bad. Okay. Packing material, invoice, revolutionary technology. Should I try it? Yeah, let's try it. All right. Dumped them out in a stick. Worked out. Watch out for tape. Okay, anyhow. Ghost Rider, annual number 1. The Hood's Infernal Halloween. Let's take a look inside since it's a number 1. And that's the art for the Ghost Rider annual number 1. Some more copies. And next we have Doctor Strange, number 8. And here is Dark Droids. This is actually Bounty Hunters, Star Wars Bounty Hunters number 39. Part of the Dark Droids arc. Here is Masters of the Universe, Forge of Destiny, number 2. X-Men number 27. There should be more copies of that. Uh-oh, we got a little bit of ding action going on here. Yep, maybe a problem as we go further down. Marvel Gods, number 1. With a ding on the corner. Oh, look, got corner ding here too. Great. I'm going to get all mad. Hate when that happens. Anyway, here's your art for Marvel Gods, number 1. It's a thick one. And it's $10, $9.99. Let's give the cover a tappy. Hey, this has a pretty substantial cover stock on it. Not card stock, but, you know, not too bad. This one has that little ding there. That's not too bad. But this copy, for a $10 book, that's unacceptable. And there's more damage coming up. Captain Marvel, Dark Tempest, Number 4. You can see the corner ding there. X-Force. Number 45. Damaged. This one looks to be okay, so maybe we're out of the woods on the damage. Maybe it was, I don't know, it's got a little bit of a corner ding there. I mean, I'll still sell that, but I don't like it. Here is Darth Vader number 39. Again, part of the Dark Droids. And we got a little corner ding. Unacceptable. And these might be okay. That one's got a little damage, nothing too serious. Fantastic Four. Number 12. Damaged. Beautiful Alex Ross cover on this Fantastic Four, number 12, with its damage. Let's see. Let's go through the stack here. These are for customers. These are all damaged. I think this one looks okay. That sucks. You know, there's no point in me doing this with these comics if they're going to be damaged. We went through all that shit with Diamond for years of them doing that stuff. And now Penguin's doing it. They were so good for a while. Now they're Diamond. Well, actually, Diamond doesn't even bother to use the second box anymore. Here's Red Goblin number 9. Is this a variant cover? Nope, that's regular cover. And that's got some spine damage down the spine. I don't know if it'll sell or not. I'll try to sell it. Black Panther number 5. Let's check these. It looks like that corner damage was just on some of the books there in that section, so maybe some of them are okay. What is this? Immortal X-Men number 16. These look all right. Here's a variant cover for Fantastic Four number 12. That's a strange looking variant. I'm not sure what's going on there. Is that the Human Torch? I certainly hope not. Anyhow, Immortal Thor number 1. Oh, look, corner damage. This is the second printing with corner damage. It's got the big $6.99 cover price. They're going to need to replace that. So if you're wondering what happens when these comics are damaged, it's not as bad as you might think. What happens is I call it in. Of course, Penguin actually has a phone. I can call it in or I can do it online, and they basically just replace them for free. Sometimes they want pictures, but not very often. They kind of just take my word for it and replace it. That's Star Wars High Republic number 1, Shadows of Starlight. That one's got a little bit of damage on it, but I think that's acceptable. And it's number 1, so let's take a look inside. Pretty good art. Got some Yoda action. Moving on, Alien number 1, Alien Annual number 1. Also, $6 cover price. It feels a little thicker. No cover stock, just regular floppy paper. And there's a ding right there. That's for a customer. I think he'll be okay with that, so we'll just go ahead and not worry about that one. Strange Academy Amazing Spider-Man number 1. I just got one copy of this. It looks to be in decent shape, but it is number 1, so we'll take a look inside. There's your art for Strange Academy Amazing Spider-Man number 1, if we can find something without ads all over it. That's what the art looks like. Let's move on to the next box. Just grab the ones closest. This one weighs very little, so there's probably not much in here. Now, if you notice, this is a bigger box. We'll see how this is packaged. I don't even see anything in here. Okay, so the comics shipped, in this box inside of this box. You can't see those, but check this out. This box fits inside of this box. And if they put the paper all the way around, we'd probably be okay. But in this box, which is way bigger, they could put that little box, watch this. They could put the little box in this box. I'm getting all bent out of shape, camera's going. They could put that in there and have all kinds of room. I mean, in theory, it's a little taller, but that kind of thing. But what was in the big box that would have protected the comics? This. They shipped this in a box by itself with a bunch of packing material. This one also doesn't weigh much. So let's see what's in this one. Bunch of packing material. There's literally nothing in this. Wait. There's some revolutionary technology. And we have some posters. No, we have, yes, a few posters. Last Ronin 2. Saw that coming. That was very popular. They're not going to let that go. They're going to keep doing that. Ministry of Compliance. Revolutionary Technology. Oh, you know. Oh, there's a bunch of posters. Notice these posters are not damaged at all. Except for that one, I just kind of creased it just a little bit. That's poster for God's Number 1. Poster for Superior Spider-Man Returns. We've got Carnage poster, Carnage number 1 poster, and Spider-Boy number 1. We're not going to take the time to look at those. We'll just go to this next box, which is kind of heavy, so maybe it's got comics in it. We'll see what's going on here. All their bundles. Okay. Yeah, well, invoice. And these are for the Halloween comic trick-or-treat, trick-or-read. Free comic for ages, what does that say, 12, 13 plus? There's a bundle of these. I'm assuming we're to give those out on Halloween. Oh, here's more. Oh, wow, that's kind of cool. Spidey and Amazing Friends. Trick-or-read. Spidey and his Amazing Friends. I'd prefer it if it was Iceman and Firestar, but whatever. Moon Knight. See that? Moon Knight. And Amazing Spider-Man. Zoom out. I got all agitated and knocked the camera all around. Anyways, that's what was in that box. So, yeah, I'm still a little mad because of the damaged books. Anyway, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.